The upcoming module covers the service user's account, including searching, editing, reviewing equipment, managing pending orders, providing feedback, and uploading documents. To locate a client on Milflo, start at the homepage and click on the Service User Management tile by selecting View. You have two search options. Enter the client ID number into the Service User Ref box, or search by name by entering details into the forename and surname boxes. You can provide as much or as little information as needed to broaden your search criteria and avoid duplication. Clicking the search button in Milflo will show all service users matching your criteria. Using the Advanced Options button, you can also search by date of birth, postcode, NHS code, or Social Services ID number entered in the Care First ID field. You can add a new client only after a full search is completed. Select the correct service user to load their details. Ensure all contact details are correct. Update address or telephone numbers via More Information and Edit Client. This is crucial for Millbrook to contact the service user. To have equipment delivered to a different address, use the More Information and Edit Client tab. This can be for delivery to your work address for assessment or to temporary accommodation if a service user is in respite care. Click on the More Address tab, scroll to add more addresses and add the address to the service user records. This address can then be used during the checkout process for new deliveries. From the service user's details page, you can choose to view delivered equipment, pending deliveries, PPM history, alerts, feedback, and uploaded documents. A tick against the View button indicates available information. Let's click on each View button with a tick against so you can how the information is presented to you and how to interrogate the detail more. Clicking on the on-site equipment will give you a list of all the equipment that is currently registered with the service user. You can see the material code for that item, a description of what the item is, the date it was delivered, the status of whether it is collected or not collected, what the delivery number was, the collection number if a collection is pending against that equipment, and if any review is due against it. Clicking on Pending Orders shows a list of all outstanding orders, their due dates, and order status. View an order by selecting the arrow pointing to the right. Clicking the Feedback button shows events for this service user. Use this to notify Millbrook of any feedback. Please be aware that we can't edit your feedback. It's used for analysis and reporting. To create feedback, select the View button in the Feedback tile. Click Add New Event. Select an option from the Raised by drop-down menu. Provide your name and contact number. Choose the feedback type from the Event Type box and select the subtype link. This feedback to the specific activity in the Notes section provide detailed information for Millbrook to review. Milflo allows document uploads to a service user's account. Click Documents, scroll down, then click Upload Documents. Name your document, select the type, and choose from the list. For example, add a risk assessment. You can mark it as clinically sensitive, making it visible to healthcare colleagues but not downloadable by Millbrook. Click Choose File to select and upload your document. Alerts are used to notify Millbrook, and particularly the technicians, if there is any sensitive information that they need to know before arriving at the property. You can upload information about key safes, protocols that Millbrook need to follow to advise the service user we are arriving, or any risk that needs to be considered. And finally, if the service user that you have searched for is not listed on Milflo, you can add a new service user. You will need to fill in all the mandatory fields along with correct telephone numbers. Please make sure that you enter either the NHS number or the social care number from Mosaic or Liquid Logic in the correct boxes on the new client ID. The next modules will take you on to raising activities for your service users.